Welcome back everyone. So far I keep telling you that MongoDB is a schema-less database, but it is possible to apply a schema and bind some rules to your data. So in this lecture we are going to see that. So I am inside my MongoDB Compass. So let's try to apply some schema and bind some validation rules to our movies collection. Okay. For that, go to this validation tab, and I have written some validation script for you already. So here I have defined that this is my JSON schema, and in this the bzone type is object, and then under the required tab I have provided 3 fields as the required field in my collection. So I have said that name, genre and rating are the mandatory field in my collections. Then you can define a properties tag, and inside this property tag you can define more things for your field. For an example, for my name field, I told my validation engine that my bzone type for the name field should be string, and this is just a meta information about this field. And then for the year field I told that my bzone type is a double. The minimum value that this field can take is 1950, and the maximum value that this year field can take is 2050, and that is exclusive with false. Okay, so 2050 is exclusive. Similarly, for the genre I defined my bzone type as array, and this is the description. So if you want to see what all things you can do in your validation, you can just check your MongoDB documentation. So here you can see you can bind some enums to your field. For an example, here we have defined that this major field can have maximum of all these values, nothing else than that. Okay. And this is the example to set the JSON schema for some complex field like object, which may be embedded. Okay, so this is the way in which you can define the schema for some embedded documents. Okay, now if you go back to your MongoDB Compass, here you will see two things also, validation action and validation level. So this validation action has two values, either warning or error, and it determines what to do in case of invalid documents that does not match these validation rules, whether to give some warning and accept those documents or to entirely reject those documents in case of error. Okay, the second thing is your validation level. The validation level determines how strictly your MongoDB applies the validation rules to your existing document. Okay, so it could be strict, it could be moderate, it could be off. When I say off, it means the existing documents will not be impacted by these new validations. So let's say you already had your documents and later on you decide to add this validation rules, and if you say off, it means your existing documents will not get impacted. Okay, so when you say moderate, which means these rules will be applied to either new documents or the existing valid documents. Okay, and when I say strict, which means this rule will be applied to all the inserts and updates of existing as well as the new document. Okay, so that is how you can apply some validation rules, define some schema with your MongoDB database. So stay tuned. Let me see you in the next lecture.